This is a factory motorcycle. And with that, I'd like to introduce you to the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide R.
So Rob is itching, guys, to see what's underneath the reveal here.
All right, so
We all
this
are.
is just a teaser.
Yes, whatever is underneath there. That's what he's ready to see. So are we all?
I wasn't there, obviously, but
Teo, Brad, Layla, the race team over there.
And I'm Jason Kale, I'm Director of Racing for Harley-Davidson Motor Company. You got to see the teaser video. This teaser video is going to go out either Thursday or Friday of this week for the public. Really special that you guys don't have to wait at all, and you get to see the motorcycle. Tuesday, March 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern, the embargo is lifted and the motorcycle becomes public. The race team has really inspired technology and product development throughout the motor company. This motorcycle in particular is a motorcycle. It has two wheels, it has two cylinders, but what this motorcycle adds up to is far more than the first ever largest displacement for Harley-Davidson in an OE motorcycle of 131 cubic inches. For the sport bike enthusiasts, that is 2,147 cc, so that is more than a liter bike per cylinder. But the motorcycle, again, it means far more than that. It's a sum of all the individual components and the details that went into the motorcycle to make this one truly unique. I think it represents the emotion, the passion, and the relentless pursuit to win that's demonstrated by the race team every single time we go to the track. And I'd like to think that that same relentless pursuit to win, that emotion and that passion is what our founders would be proud of if we stand here today, 122 years later, still representing the motor company. And I'm excited for this motorcycle in particular to find its place in the history of the motor company. The most powerful motorcycle Harley-Davidson has ever produced in its history at 153 horsepower. But please pay attention to the small details on this motorcycle as well. Those small details are what makes it truly unique and truly worthy of the badge of Custom Vehicle Operations Race Replica, our CVO RR motorcycle.
Oh my goodness.
And this is a factory motorcycle. Harley-Davidson used that word related to racing for the first time in 1914. So over 100 years ago, Harley-Davidson founded its first factory racing department. We're all the way here in 2025, and with that, I'd like to introduce you to the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR.
My instant, feeling rolling out of the pits even before I got out on the track was, feeling that front end and those brakes, the exact rotors, the exact forks that are on my race bike. Being able to feel those same sensations that we've really worked hard to refine over the years in racing, right out of the box, right out of the crate, this thing feels that way to me. And the feedback through the front end is something that I chase in racing in order to find that extra few tenths of a second we're looking for. To feel that in this motorcycle, in a street legal package, with the amount of horsepower and torque it puts down, it's a pretty amazing feeling. And for me, riding it for the first time, being able to reflect in all the same ways Carl's talked about, and Jason being here, doing this race program from day one, it's really cool to see that all this work we've done has culminated into something like this.
I was blown away. I was one of the first ones to be able to ride the motorcycle on track, and the brakes were a massive standout to me. The DNA in this motorcycle just speaks racing. The rigidity, like Kyle said, the forks, the shocks, the swing arm, everything that runs through it. It gives you a lot of stability, it's very nimble. It's really just a complete package. And for me, like Carl said, I came off the track and I was just blown away. I was like, this feels so close to my bagger, my race bike. I was like, you guys did one hell of a job.
You guys are more than welcome, please, to come up and look at the motorcycle. As excited as I am for you to look at it, like Carl said, when people get to ride it, that's when the real excitement is going to come in, because it's just a phenomenal ride.
Robert. I don't want to hear it, Jen. Yes? Yes. I already said, let me call the wife. Let her know. Gotta get it. How did you get this? For $250, I'll buy one. I'm just saying. Same,
It wasn't a bike for you, it was a bike for us.
I just want y'all to know I am blown away by that bike. Even though y'all know I don't race, but I still enjoy watching racing. Even though I just got Meg cammed out, I got her upgraded to a stage 2. Nowhere near what that is, but I still enjoy being around it. I still like it. And that bike, y'all, is nice. The amount of weight that they talk about, they shaved off that bike as well. Like the 2024s and beyonds, and the ST itself, those bikes were already lighter. And then they shaved off even more weight of the bike. Just can imagine how light that bike is and just how much faster that bike will go. But and with the majority of with the bike being carbon fiber, so much carbon fiber on the bike, like, okay, I'm gonna stop saying the word like, but that bike is it's nice. And for you to be able to get that much power in a bike straight out of the box, speechless. So I'm gonna go in later, well, I'll get to spend a little bit more time with the bike and filming it so you guys can see it more in depth, because I know I probably rushed earlier because all of us were in there trying to film and record the bike. But be on the lookout for Robert Simmons' video, because he gets to actually ride the bike, so he's excited about that now. I'm excited for him because y'all know Robert Simmons. He is a friend to me and my husband or whatever. He's one of the genuine YouTubers that we talk to. He's the same online and same offline. But I'll check in a little bit, guys.